Malema has maintained that this case is a political witch hunt against him. His co-accused, Adrian Snyman, was acquitted of the charges due to a lack of evidence. He believes in his innocence and maintains that the firearm in question is a toy.
The case has crumbled before the magistrate, and the prosecution messed up the case, and they must take full responsibility. But it's always the case when you pursue politics instead of pursuing the law. Whether you like the person or not, you must look at what does the law say, not what are my political feelings or views about this particular individual. That's what makes it a political trial, which comes to an end today and will wait for the judgment.
Lobby group AfriForum believes Malema deserves a jail term due to the seriousness of the matter.
It's very important to remember that these charges that Mr. Malema was found guilty on are actually very serious charges. If we look at just one example, for instance, the illegal possession of a firearm and ammunition, there have been cases where people have been sentenced to up to 15 years imprisonment for that. So it's very serious charges. Of course, there might be mitigating conditions and circumstances that the judge takes into consideration, but I would be very surprised and I would be very skeptical of the process if we at least didn't see a few years prison time for Mr. Malema.
One legal analyst believes there is a probability that a jail term may be imposed.
What we can anticipate from the court when it gives its sentence is that the court in all likelihood will give a direct imprisonment sentence. However, that sentence, there is a high possibility that it may be suspended for a certain period of time. What a suspension means is that despite the court having found you guilty and sentencing you, that particular sentence will be held in abeyance for a period of time, for instance, say 5 years. And the conditions that may be placed on Mr. Malema is that during the period of the 5 years that the sentence is suspended, he should not commit a similar offense.
The court vicinity inside and out is expected to be a hive of activity, with Malema supporters expected to attend court proceedings. Abongile Yankees, SABC News, East London.